A very good morning and a warm welcome to one and all, respected dignitaries, invited guests, my colleagues, and the galaxy of intellectuals, that is the participants. I am Dr. Truptiranjan Mahapatra, Associate Professor, Department of Production Engineering, PSSUT Burla, and the co-coordinator of this event. As the host, I would like to welcome each and every one of you to this inaugural ceremony of AICT Training and Learning Academy sponsored 5 days online faculty development program on data science, which is supported by IQSSL of our university. AICT Training and Learning Academy was established in September 2018 with an objective to plan and help in imparting quality technical education in the country and to support technical institutions in fostering research, innovation, and entrepreneurship through training in various emerging areas. Initially, they have identified 9 thrust areas, that is artificial intelligence, IoT, blockchain, robotics, data science, 3D printing and design, quantum computing, virtual reality, etc. Those are going to lead the technological world in future. In the context of train the trainer concept, it is aimed to improve the knowledge and skill of the trainers, including faculty members, research scholars, PG scholars, staffs of technical institutions, and industry personnel through conducting various FDPs on these emerging areas. In this regard, it is my pleasure to announce that Department of Production Engineering, VSSUT Burla, has got the opportunity to conduct FDPs on 2 thrust areas. One is data science, second one is 3D printing and design. The FDP of data science will be held during 16 to 20th November 2020, whereas the FDP on 3D printing and design will be conducted during 18th to 22nd January 2021. Now, to start the proceeding, I consider it a great honor to welcome Professor Atal Choudhury sir, Honorable Vice Chancellor VSSUT, to accomplish the digital inauguration and perform the traditional lighting of the lamp. Please, sir. Thank you, sir. Now, I would like to request Professor Devadatta Mishra, sir, coordinator of this program, to present the welcome address. Please, sir.
Good morning, one and all. Honorable Vice Chancellor, sir, Dean CDC, Head of the Department, and the two co-coordinators, and my dear participants. The FDP, the Atal FDP, on this data-driven approaches in manufacturing science, I welcome on behalf of the department and on behalf of self and the co-coordinators. Now, the course is such that, and you know, data-driven manufacturing, this is an approach to production or to manufacturing science or in general to the manufacturing process, which allows the facts and a strict set of manufacturing KPIs. Okay, and key KPI means the key performance indices or index to guide decision making. The course is aiming at how to leverage the data and utilize the data in optimization and in predictive maintenance. And it is well known that the benefits derived from the data-driven approach is that there is increased visibility or increased clarity. Artificial intelligence and machine learning is possible through the data. Then automation in two ways, that is automation in the data collection and also automated decision making, which will be very helpful in your machine learning and the predictive maintenance. And at the same time, the data-driven approach, this allows us to save some cost and time, or this reduces the manufacturing lead time. But there are some challenges for this data-driven manufacturing. That is, we get the soil data, we do not get appropriate data for that. Care should be taken for that. And there are security threats, and also there are some problem in storage of this data. Okay, so due to this threats in security of the data, and keeping in view the concept of Industry 4.0, which is a cyber physical system, now this has become very essential to study the data approaches in manufacturing, both in processes as well as in systems. And you know, there are different stages of this data-driven manufacturing. That is capturing the data, then categorizing and visualizing the data, and finally developing intelligence and in action, keeping in action or putting it to action the knowledge that has been derived from the data. So very carefully the course has been designed, and I am happy that throughout the country, nearly from all states participants are there. In total, there are nearly 120 participants, and the research persons are very they are very expert in their respective fields. And we have got the experts from IIT Kharagpur, IIT Patna, NIT Warangal, DRDO, and some, Mumbai. So, and along with our own faculty members from the departments of the coordinators from the department. And I hope that you will enjoy this and you learn something and put it in the work in the field, that how this data can be utilized, properly utilized with the help of the computers, with the help of the powers of this computer, so that there will be benefits in the manufacturing scenario, and it will be helpful for the industry 4.0 efforts. Okay, so with this, I welcome you again to this course, and I hope that you will enjoy this one. And I request you all to do not miss any lecture, because all the lectures, all the talks are very important from the manufacturing perspective. Okay, so welcome you again. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Consequently, I would like to invite our Head of Production Engineering Department, Dr. Kamal Pal, sir, to address this inaugural. Please, sir.
Respected Vice Chancellor Sir, Professor Atal Chaudhary Sir, respected Dean Sir, Professor U.R. Jana Sir, Professor D. Misro, the coordinator of this FDP, respected Professor on the dais, of the dais, and my colleagues, students and participants. A very good morning to all of you. On behalf of Production Engineering Department, BSSUT Bulla, I welcome you to all to this AICTE sponsored Atal FDP program in data science in manufacturing. As we know, the importance of any kind of data in different production industries. So data accuracy is also highly important in any manufacturing environment, which further used in modeling, optimization, as well as process monitoring using different algorithms. Therefore, proper data acquisition system along with data processing and analysis is also essential in modern manufacturing environments. For that, advanced evolutionary algorithms also has a major role whose selection is also crucial. I believe and hope that this FDP program will be beneficial to you with the case study oriented lectures by different academicians, industrialists, as well as scientists in a better way. We are grateful to Professor Devudatta Mishra sir, who always lead from the front to encourage and motivate us. Thank you, sir, for dreaming such a new thoughts like data science in manufacturing. Also thank Dr. T.R. Mohapatra, the Associate Professor and Co-Coordinator of this FDP, for planning this event accordingly. And finally, Mr. Birendra Kumar Barik, Coordinator, have also done the finishing touch for making a good event. Thank you. Finally, I thank again to all of you, to the participants, and wish great success in the FDP. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Moving forward, may I now take the opportunity to request our invited guest, Professor Umaranjan Jena sir, Dean CDC, to share his views on this occasion. Please, sir.
Very good morning to all. Respected Vice Chancellor, Professor Atal Chaudhary, sir. Professor D. Mishra, the coordinator of the FDP program. Dr. T.R. Mahapatra, the co-coordinator. Professor Kamal Pal, the head of the Department of Production Engineering, and Biren Barik, the assistant of this Atal, or the coordinator of this Atal program, participants, and finally the resource persons, if present. All I welcome to this 5-day Atal FDP program. Data-driven approaches in manufacturing science. Nowadays, the manufacturing needs more specific in the finished product with low cost, as much as low cost, which depends on the data-driven. Nowadays, machine learning softwares are available to optimize the material and the time, which will save the cost of production. So this 5-day program will give a lot for the researchers, new faculty members, those who are doing research in this area. And this is our first Atal program, Atal FDP program of the university, and I hope this will be, such type of program should continue, and this will be helpful to present faculties, new faculties particularly, those who are doing research in the different area of manufacturing and production engineering. So I hope you will enjoy and you will learn a lot from this program. Thank you all.
Thank you, sir. It will be my honor to invite Professor Atal Chaudhary, sir, our Honorable Vice Chancellor, to address the digital gathering.
Thank you. It is a privilege to welcome the dignitaries Professor Umaranjan Jena, Dean CDC, Professor Devudatta Mishra, the coordinator of this FDE program, Professor Dr. Kamal Pal, HOD of production environment, the co-coordinators of this program, Trupti Ranjan Mahapatra, Virendra Kumar Barik, and all the research persons and the participants who are going to make this program successful. To my knowledge, this 5 days online faculty development program is the first program in university under Atal Academic sponsored FD programs. And I hope many such programs will follow such programs under Atal Academic sponsored FD programs. As we know, data science is the extraction of actionable insights from raw data. It is a multidisciplinary field that uses scientific methods, processes, algorithms, and systems to extract knowledge and insights from structured and unstructured data. Therefore, faculties of every branch of engineering need to comprehend basics of data science so as to attain an interdisciplinary approach to make sense of the available or acquired data and extract useful perceptions. This will assist for not only to innovate in their own sectors and create newer or superior products, but also allow to create value from data for data-driven companies, organizations, as well as make the world around them even more efficient. In this context, I am happy to learn that the Department of Production Engineering of our esteemed institute, VSSOT, is organizing a 5 days online FDP on data-driven approaches in manufacturing sciences. Within manufacturing industries, many factors such as machine condition, process parameters, environmental characteristics, and material quality contribute significantly towards the overall performance of a process and hence the ultimate end product. Experimentation is a frequent activity of PhD students, research scholars, as well as the faculties, not only of production or manufacturing engineering, but of every branch of engineering, and they usually use primitive strategies to carry on their experiments. Analyzing the data by implementing appropriate technique is very much essential to determine the relationship between factors affecting a process and the output of that process. Further, find the best optimal parameter combination can lead towards improvement of the overall process efficiency and value of the product. The performance of the process and quality of the product can be improved by precisely analyzing the data and applying optimization techniques with respect to its process control parameters. Therefore, I am assured that present FDP will not only impart knowledge and training on the fundamentals of interdisciplinary field of data science with its different aspects and applications, but also benefit and participants, irrespective of the disciplines, for capturing, processing, analyzing, and extracting valuable insights from vast amount of heterogeneous data. I congratulate the coordinators for organizing an FD on thrust area, that is data science, and wish very success and their effort the best.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for your blessing and encouraging words. Now I would like to place on record the support extended by our internal quality assurance. I would like to thank Professor Vibhuti Bhushan, Professor, for joining online. Thank you, sir, for gracing this occasion with your kind presence. Participants, here I would like to mention that finally 115 participants they have confirmed to join this FDP. This FDP comprises of 14 sessions with 1.5 hour for each session. All the sessions will be conducted online in Google Meet platform. There will be question and answer sessions with the experts towards the end of the session. Participants need to mark their attendance for each and every session using the provided link and appear the quiz test which will be conducted at the on the final day. E-certificates are issued by AICTE, that is Hotel Academy directly to the participants who will attend the program with minimum 80% of attendance and score minimum 60% mark in the test. Now, on behalf of Department of Production Engineering, in the entire gathering, I would like to request my colleague, Lieutenant Viren Kumar Parekh sir, co-coordinator of this activity, to offer the vote. Please, sir.
A very good morning to all the members of today's gathering in this inaugural session of the Hotel Academy sponsored 5 days online faculty development program on data science. I, on behalf of Department of Production Engineering, BSSUT Burla, the entire gathering present here, and on my own behalf, extend a very hearty vote of thanks to Honorable Vice Chancellor, BSSUT Burla, respected Professor Atal Chaudhary sir, for blessing us with his auspicious presence and sharing with us his valuable thought. Thank you, sir. I would like to express our deep sense of gratitude to Professor Umaranjan Jena sir, Dean CDC, for gracing this occasion with his encouraging words. I must mention our deep sense of appreciation for our very own Head of the Production Engineering Department, Dr. Kamal Pal sir, for his support to organizing this program. I like to thank Professor Devadatta Mishra sir, coordinator of this FDP, for highlighting the theme and sharing an experience relevant to this program. I like to thank Dr. Truptiranjan Mahapatra sir, co-coordinator of this program, for his efforts towards initiating, planning, executing the conduction of this faculty development program. I must take this opportunity to place on record our hearty thanks to all the faculty staff members and especially the director of IQAC, Professor Vibhuti Bhushan Pati sir. Last but not the least, I would also like to thank all the external as well as internal participants for showing interest towards this program. I wish the participants an interesting and productive interaction during the program. Jai Hind.
Thank you, sir. Participants, it is an honor and privilege to welcome our inaugural speaker, esteemed Professor P. Radhakrishnan sir, to this program.